thank you for being here, all of our clients. I'm here with the biggest gift for you guys, for our clients here. We call it jackpot. So we are going to introduce the jackpot company you must buy at the moment, which is Maeil Dairy. So before moving on to our fundamental DCF analysis to calculate our stock price and why all of our clients have to buy this company, I will give you a brief information of Maeil Dairy Company. Please, next slide. Maeil Dairy's mission is based on is basically Maeil will make a healthy and happy society for all of us by creating and pioneering a healthier, more delicious and new approach every day. And this mission is based on vision called More Than Food and Beyond Korea. Can you feel the vibe? Mostly, all of the successful and great and good companies have great mission and vision on which they operate. And then Maeil Dairy has the greatest mission and vision, which will drive their future. So, having said this, we'll also have a look at what kind of sales structure and also exports they have. Next slide, please. So, Maeil Dairy basically consists of 5 markets. First one is processed milk, second, beverage, third, nutritious food, and B2B market and chocolate. And each takes 44%, 80%, 60%, 12%, and 10%. And all of these markets are quite competitive, but still have promising future, so that they can earn a lot of money in the future, which will lead to the jackpot, as I mentioned. And here's the most important thing that you should have a look. Powder milk export to China. Dairy milk is the biggest exporter to China in terms of milk industry. And as you know, China is the biggest, fastest growing country in the world. And also, if you conquer the Chinese market, you will hit the jackpot. And this Maeil Dairy company is now hitting the jackpot. As you can see, it's not just linear increasing, it's just exponentially increasing now at the moment, as you can see. So, having said this, let me just invite our number specialist, our brainiest and smartest analysis, who will give some brief picture what kind of stock price it has. Just please understand that our number specialist is really good at numbers and analysis, but they might not be good at English that much. So if you need some help, I will give you some help. Thank you.
This is the beta. In order to get Maeil Dairy leveled beta, we first calculate competitors leveled beta like this, and competitors D ratio like this, and average it. So we take competitors unleveled beta is 0.47. So we get the Maeil Dairy leveled beta using Hamada equation is 0.645. Next. This is the growth rate. We take the 2-stage growth rate model. So we divided the whole Maeil Dairy company into each business division, processed milk, nutritious food, beverage, B2B, etc. And we weighted average the growth rate. So we got the high growth rate is 4.17%, and stable growth stage is 0.64%.
Hey, I have a question.
Yes.
As you calculate the growth rate, why did you use the 2-stage model?
Do you need some
okay.
help? Yeah, do you need some help? Yes. Okay, so what he said is basically for the next 5 years, because due to this product diversification and Chinese market, it will grow. But the problem is that milk industry is supposed to be saturated in the near future always because of this industry characteristic. That's why we made this 2-stage models. Thank you. can explain.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Next. Next, we in order to get WACC, first we calculate cost of equity using CAPM. So we got the cost of equity like this 3.7%. And second, we calculate cost of debt using country default spread and credit risk. So we got the cost of debt 3.14%, and we weighted average cost of capital is just 3%. Okay, next man present about free cash flow.
Yeah, please welcome our next analyst, special analysis. Give him some big claps. Okay.
Thank you. My name is Hyung-ju and I will talk about two-stage model, binomial distribution, and FCFF. At first, it is historical data and real data, and based on this data, we added some assumption, and growth rate and reinvestment rate is the thing we made a change. Next slide, please.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
As I told before, I assume reinvestment rate 25% and two different growth rate. So I get expected FCFF and terminal value. Secondly, we discount FCFF and upper stage and terminal value to get fund value. As you can see, fund value is like that. And next slide, please. Then I use binomial distribution model, as known as scenario approach. We divided it to normal and world. So this number is weighted average fund value. Next slide, please. See this formula. Using this formula, I can get target price, this number. It is much bigger than current price, so I recommend it to buy this company's stock. Thank you.
Yeah, please give some big claps to analysis who made a real great analysis. How was it? Actually, I should have kept this kind of hitting jackpot company in my little secret, but I'm here to share this kind of jackpot so that we can earn a lot of money all together. So I'm sure that if you really recognize how we analyze this company, and we actually try best to simplify our model so that our all clients can understand what is going on and what kind of price and how we drawn out this fact. So it's such a lovely day, and we made a jackpot, and we invite a lot of clients here. So I'm expecting your support and investment into our recommendation. And before I wrap up, I need some questions. If you have some questions.
Sorry, I just only have one question.
Okay.
I don't know about, nothing about the Korean market.
Okay.
But Maeil can survive without China?
Yeah, we talked about Chinese market a lot, but we didn't explain that much. Actually, they're doing a lot of product diversification, basically, and expanding into a lot of markets, such as coffee. Like it has Polbase, which is the most famous coffee chain in Korea as well, and also expanding into kind of powder, milk powder, or the other kind of thing, and premiumizing all these products. So we're expecting big growth in domestic market as well. Any more questions if you have? Yeah, thank you.
According to the chart, offering price was 94,000 won, but until now it decreased by 9,000 won.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that it has fallen dramatically by 10%, but you are saying that it would be jackpot.
Yeah.
Isn't it too optimistic?
Okay, I totally understand what you're saying at the moment. But as you know, there's always market psychology going on in the market. But in the short term, it might fall down, and a lot of stock will have done it. But in the long term, as we analyze with the exact number based on our fundamental analysis, we're expecting that it will grow. Thank you. I think this will do for all you guys' questions. Thank you for being here. Yeah. by Mr.